I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make mac and cheese, but this is just the noodles and it came with the sauce, but I'm going to teach you how to make it anyway. You will need one pot and some water. Fill up your pot till it gets to like a two spot, and don't make it overfilled. That looks about good, and look, there's bubbles on the bottom already. You will choose a spot on your oven and make sure there isn't any gunk. Like that is fine, but that I would remove. When I'm going to do it on that spot, you don't want to make it a too big spot, but I'm going to use that spot. Shut up, Kitty Tom. Okay, where were we? You will look at your oven and you will look at that part. You see that part right there? It will show you like what pan that is on. One sec, let me make sure it's clear. You see how like that, the red dot will show which ones you're on. So you look at that one, see how that one's like right there. So you count 1, 2, 3's on the top and the 1 on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 1, which is this one, and then a blank one, as you can see. And you will want to turn your oven on to not super high. You can do it high, but sometimes it might make a little bit of a crackling sound, so I do it around 6-ish. I don't want to make it super high though. And see how it's burning? It looks kind of pink on there. And yeah. While you're waiting on the mac and cheese to boil, you will need a strainer. And I'll tell you why. You're going to need this strainer, and I'm going to tell you what you're going to do with it next, but you'll need it to drain the noodles because who wants watery, nasty mac and cheese? And plus, we get the good packets, not the powder ones, and I'll tell you what you do with it throughout the video. And now you're going to wait to about between 40 minutes, or if you're lucky, it will take 20. Let's get right into that. Back onto our mac and cheese. What you're going to do with the mac and cheese is you're going to open it up and take the cheese packet out, just in case you forget. And what you're going to do is you're going to put this next to your oven so then it's easier to pour in. And I'm going to take my cheese powder, sometimes mix it up, and I'll teach you a super good technique my dad taught me. It's already getting bubbles. You'll know when it's ready when the bubbles start flowing to the top. When it has bubbles on the bottom, it's fine, but once it has started bubbles at the top, you can pour it in. And when I said 40 minutes, I meant that for the mac and cheese to cook for that long, not the pan to stay there for that long. For the pan to stay there that long, you don't really need a time, just wait for the bubbles to rise.